Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync your Dropbox files on mobile in 2025. Syncing makes sure your files are always up to date across all your devices, whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. If you don't already have it, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, download Dropbox, and sign in with your account. Once you're inside the app, you'll see your Dropbox home screen with all your folders and files. To make sure your files stay synced, tap on the account icon in the bottom right corner, then go to Settings. Here, check that sync or camera uploads is enabled if you want your photos and videos to automatically save to Dropbox. You can also enable offline access for specific files by tapping the three dots next to a file or folder and selecting Make Available Offline. This way, Dropbox will sync it whenever you're connected. You can access it even without internet. Remember, Dropbox runs in the background on your phone. So as long as you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, your files will sync automatically. With the cloud, any edits you make on mobile will appear on your computer and vice versa. And that's it. That's how you sync Dropbox files on mobile in 2025. 4 more tutorials just like this one. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.